Salutations! Welcome to the Fidget Finder. Today we got Weasley's Wizard Wheezes current full putty collection, manufactured by Warner Brothers. These can be bought exclusively at Universal Studios Orlando and are Harry Potter themed. We just operated to the fidget factors. F is for flexibility. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, or WWWs for short, putty, is moldable into virtually any shape imaginable, just like all other putties. I is for interactability. Each putty has a unique gimmick to it. From left to right and top to bottom, red has metallic strands, green has bogey bits, blue has pixie dust, pink is rose-scented, clear is clear, obviously, and lastly, glow-in-the-dark. D is for design/durability. All of the putties are made of great quality material that's fun to squish, and each tin has cool graphics. That's a lot of thumbs up. Enjoyable by muggles, squibs, wizards, and witches of all ages. E is for entertaining. All are fun to fidget with, but can you guess my favorite? Hint, it's my favorite color, and most fidgets I review on this channel are that color. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I wonder if Fred and George have ever met a muggle or wizard. I don't know if we know, by the name of Crazy Aaron, because these putties are very eerily similar to those. T is for texture. Speaking of Crazy Aaron, if you know what Crazy Aaron's softer putty texture feels like, that's nearly the same feel as these. It just occurred to me that they're missing the color yellow currently. I wonder if they'll do something in the future with it. I ask because I'm a Hufflepuff. I recommend these fidgets for those who want to fidget with officially licensed Wizarding World putties. These putties are fresh on the market, straight out of Diagon Alley. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment on it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you with the next fidget review.